Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is King Paul Mikes and welcome back to my vlog. So in this video guys, is we're going to unbox another AJ1 sneakers na sobra talaga akong na-in-love. I mean, nagandahan.
Wow.
I need to buy this. Okay guys, so during the last unboxing natin ng sneakers, which is in-unbox natin yung ating AJ1 mid high royal sneakers, is marami akong nakitang feedbacks and also viewers ng ating video. That's why I'm very much thankful sa inyong lahat na nag-like and nag-comment sa ating video. That's why mas lalo akong nag-urge on na-inspire na bigyan kayo ng mga unboxing ng ating mga AJ1. So, again, I have already a pairs of AJ1 which will be unboxed sa mga susunod nating vlog. But before that, guys, I would like to thank din yung mga nag-comment and nanood ng aking last vlog, which is the mystery t-shirt. Kung napanood nyo, is nagkaroon ako ng giveaways. So, I am giving the 5 mystery t-shirts. So, I'm giving 5 t-shirts to 5 lucky subscribers and yung mga nag-comment sa akin during that vlog. So, hindi ko na patatagalin guys. Ito yung mga nanalo. Ito yung top 5 na nanalo sa akin. So, ang unang makaka-receive ng mystery t-shirt natin ay si Dior Mafia. Pangalawa, si Joaquin Huego. Pangatlo, si Bicat Fam. Pang-apat, si Christine Di Guzman. And last is si Jazz Andrada. Okay? So guys, maraming salamat for supporting my video. And paano makiklaim ang prize? Guys, message nyo lang ako sa aking Instagram account, which is @KingPaulMike. So ilalagay ko dito yung ating Instagram account. So message lang kayo. Please give your shipping details and ipapadala ko sa inyo yung aking mga t-shirts, yung ating mga t-shirts. Alright, again, maraming salamat and looking forward for more support sa mga susunod ko pong vlog. Tapos nating ipamigay na ating mga giveaways. Let's jump sa main topic ngayong vlog na to, which is unboxing the AJ1 Game Royale. I purchased this Game Royale sneakers like nung isang araw. So, this is an high OG Game Royale sneakers. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas yung height nito kesa sa mid royal. So, magkakaroon tayo ng comparison ng mid and high sa mga susunod nating vlog. Okay guys, so ito na ang box ng ating bagong-bagong AJ1 Retro High OG Game Royale. A bit of history. Ito na-release to noong May 2020. Yes, May 2020 na-release ang unang-unang AJ1 Game Royale High OG. Alam nyo ba? This resembles another AJ1 which is sobrang mahal na niya ngayon. Alam nyo ba yun? Kung alam nyo yun guys, comment down below. I hope alam nyo yun. And syempre standard guys, ito ang ating box na pinaglalagyan ng ating Game Royale sneakers. So, different to dun sa mid, which is dun sa mid kasi is black na may Air Jumpman logo dito, tsaka dito. This one is the Nike box. Here, black box with red Nike logo. And dito naman yung ating details ng ating box. Okay, ayaw mag-focus. But anyway, this is the details. So, it's an 8.5 to my size. And nakalagay dito, this Air Jordan 1. So, officially, ang nakalagay dito is Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG 555088041 Black White Game Royale color. So, ayun siya. Ilalim ba? Nakalagay din. So, may nakalagay din siya sa ilalim. Air Sole. Ayun. Alright. So, syempre, nakalagay pa rin siya sa white paper. And ayun na siya. Isa pa lang siya. Oh. Diba doon sa mid natin, meron din ganito. Okay. So, giveaway to from Jmavssneaks. Maraming salamat. Again guys, purchase ko to kay Jmavssneaks. So ito siya. Purchase ko siya sa Jmavssneaks. Kung nakikita nyo. Yan, diyan ko siya purchase. Thank you so much sa previous. Maraming salamat. So meron na akong dalawa. Okay guys, so ito, buksan na natin. Ito ng ating official AJ1 High OG Game Royale. Oh my god. Whew. Ito na guys, AJ1 Game Royale. Oh, alam niyo na ba ano kamukha nito? So guys, kung talagang mahilig kayo sa sneakers, alam niyo na kung anong kamukha nito. So, meron tong kamukha na previous release ng AJ1. Sobrang mahal na ngayon. Sobra. So, pwede natin nga tawagin tong the 4 months. Tama ba? 4 months Game Royale. Parang ganon. Ito yung kabut kayong kamukha nung sinasabi kong shoes. Kung alam nyo yun, comment down below guys. So, ayan. So, let us see ano yung itsura ng ating Game Royale guys. So, again, this is Game Royale Blue guys. So it's different from the High Royale na in-unbox natin previously. So iba yung tingkad ng pagka-blue niya. So guys, kunin ko lang for a while. So ito yung this is Game Royale Blue and ito yung ating Mid Royale. So makikita nyo guys. Okay, I don't know. Makikita nyo. Focus tayo. Focus. So this is the Game Royale. Ito yung Mid Royale. So, kung makikita nyo sa kulay, mas, itong High Royale na blue is talagang mas, matingkad yung pagka-blue niya. It's more, mas matingkad kesa dito sa ating, Game Royale. Makita nyo, ayan. And, kung nakikita nyo, yung butas din, I think, mas malaki yata dito sa High OG. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng further comparison sa mga susunod nating vlog. But, yan. So, again, this is the Game Royale Blue. Game Royale Blue. So, we have the white. Dito sa mid section ng shoes is we have the white leather. White synthetic leather. Of course, the black swoosh na papunta sa kabila. Black swoosh. And also, look at that leather, guys.
Wow!
Look at that leather. Nakikita nyo? Napakaganda. Okay, ayan. Iikot ko. So, we have the black. We have the black toe here. Black line here. And another white part ng leather. Also black yung likod. And we have, of course, the AJ, syempre sa mga AJ1, yung ating midsole, white midsole, and of course, ang ating outer sole, thin outer sole na Game Royale Blue din. Yan, alright, diba? Sobra tibay niyan. We have the nylon tongue. Dito is nylon tongue. Yes, nylon tongue, and also the Nike Air logo. Yun sa ating mid, diba? It's not Nike Air, it's the Jumpman logo. Dito, it's Air logo and also it's made of leather. So, also made of leather to. And of course, syempre yung pang-maintain ng shape sa loob. And the extra shoelace. Yan, so meron siyang extra shoelace. And also the standard black lace. And yung pinaka-sole niya, I don't know kung kita nyo. So, yung pinaka-sole niya is black sole na may Nike Air, blue Game Royale Air logo sa loob. And nakalagay yung code sa loob sa pinaka-label, nakalagay yung code and also yung manufacturing yata to, yung 10/60/19 to 11/26/19. And also, you know what, kung bakit medyo controversial. I mean, hindi naman controversial, but some of the vloggers na nagre-review ng shoes na to, marami ang hindi umaayon or some other want to change this Air Jordan wing logo here. Tingnan nyo. Some vloggers gusto nila like either mag-black na lang to, which is usually kasi mga AJ1 na nakita ko is it's either kakulay niya, yung example, ito ay Game Royale. Game Royale na din tong logong to. Ginawa na lang din tong black to na naka-emboss para hindi siya ganun ka sumisigaw yung logo. But in this specific Air Jordan 1 Game Royale, ginawa siyang white. So that's why naging iba-iba opinion at ibang mga sneaker collectors or mga reviewers ng this AJ1. But for me, in my opinion, it's okay lang naman. Okay lang siya. It makes it more unique than the yun nga, yung sinasabi ko niya sa inyo na may resemblance to sa isang AJ1 na napakataas ng cost. Again, kung alam niyo yun, comment down below. So, yan. Yan yung kabilang pair.
Wow!
Okay, diba? Sobrang ganda. And etong part na to, it's awesome. Tibay. Itong part na to. Yan. Itatry din natin isuot or on-feet review ating bagong AJ1 Game Royale sneakers. And ayun, let's see kung okay ba siya. Give me your feedback. There you have it, guys. So yan, na-try na natin and nasubukan on our feet actual, guys, ang ating Air Jordan 1 Game Royale sneakers. Maraming salamat for joining me in this video sa panonood ng aking unboxing ng bago nating sneakers. Maraming salamat, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And syempre, doon sa mga nanonood ng aking vlog, sa mga previous vlog, and in this vlog, maraming salamat sa suporta. Kung may suggestions ka or may comment ka sa ating vlog today, please don't forget to comment down below at isa-isa nating babasahin. And malay mo, ikaw na ang susunod nating isa-shoutout sa susunod nating vlog. So I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. So kung na-enjoy mo ang vlog na to, please don't forget to click the like button and the share button. And syempre, kung bago ka sa aking channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga vlogs. Again, guys, this is King Paul Mikes. Follow me on my social media accounts, facebook.com/KingPaulMikes, and also my Instagram account, instagram.com/KingPaulMikes. Again, yung mga nanalo ng 5 t-shirts, don't forget, I'll wait for your message sa ating Instagram account. Maraming salamat, and keep cool, keep safe, stay safe. See you on my next upload.